have for Google Play Store right now. So this is an Android. Then if you ask you here, is the app listed on the supported app store like Play Store, Amazon, and the rest store? So you are advisable to click yes too. Don't click no because it's on Play Store and we are connecting it our app that's already published on Play Store. So click continue. So once you click continue, you say to search this your app, type in the name to search this your app. But a very easy way to just search this your app, go to Play Store, to your application. We want to use this application, Joeboy Biography for example. Click here, click on share. So when you click on share, try to copy the URL to your keyboard. So I'm copying it now to my keyboard, then I go back to this place and I'll paste it here. So once you paste it in that place, just click on this search button here. Click on search button, then we show you your app will pop up. So this is the application, as you can see, Joeboy Biography, and yes, this application. Then what you will do now, you're going to add this app. You press the add button. So just add. So it's added already. Then you notice this continue button here. This continue button. So click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to show you this part. If you can read it, these are the things you know about the application. So after you have get it, click on add app. So you click on add app, it will take you here. Say you successfully added Joeboy Biography. Here right now, you can see it here that it is here now. So what you will do right now, add an aid unit to your account. So we are connect it from our Play Store account, you understand? So we are going to add our aid unit. So just click on add aid unit. When you click on add units, the aid unit will be reading right now is the banner and the testation. So click on banner aid unit, and enter banner name, just put banner, then put create aid unit, which is the down button here, then click on done. Then after done, click on add another aid unit, then click on intestation, then write intestation in this place. Aid units will be needing. Then if you notice this top here, you will note something like email implementation instruction. Click on it. So once you click on email implementation instruction, you are going to send it to your email. So just press send email. So they are going to send this instruction to your email. So when you check your email, you see that they have sent it to it. So just go back to app overview. As you can see here, app overview. Go back to app overview. Then you see something here will tell you that your app is getting ready. As you can see in this place, your app is getting ready. Sorry, here, your app is getting ready. So this is the email that was sent back to your banner interstitial unit. So if you can add this to your application, or if you are not the one that developed your application, send it to the person that developed your application. The developer will ask you for your banner aid unit and your interstitial aid unit. But even though you add this to your aid app right now, it will not going to show aid. This is the reason because your app is still getting ready. So it will take less than 24 hours. I will send you a approval email that your app has been approved, and it can now show it. Then your app can be shown. Let me show you an example of this approval mail. So this is the example of the mail that will be sent to you. Okay, but this one is Don Jazzy biography that I did a few days ago, that's yesterday, and they sent it this morning to me, as you can see. So send a mail like this.